Hey there food enthusiasts, Dale here from Press to Cook, and today we've got a bit of a mystery on our hands. Ever walked into your kitchen and heard your Whirlpool fridge making strange sounds? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into diagnosing those odd noises and figuring out what's going on. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks. Let's keep your appliances in top shape and your meals delicious. Alright, let's get started. First up, what kind of sounds are we talking about here? Is it a buzzing, a humming, or maybe even a rattling sound? Different noises can mean different things, so identifying the type of sound is the first step in our investigation. If you hear a buzzing sound, chances are it could be the refrigerator compressor. The compressor is the heart of your fridge, and it's normal for it to make some noise. But if the buzzing is louder than usual or constant, it might be working overtime, which could indicate an issue. Next, let's talk about humming. A gentle hum is pretty normal and usually comes from the fan or the fridge's motor. However, if the humming turns into a loud buzz, it could be a sign of a malfunctioning fan or motor that needs attention. Now on to rattling. This one's a bit tricky because it could be something as simple as a loose item inside the fridge, or something more complex like a problem with the condenser coils. Go ahead and give your fridge a little shake to see if anything is loose. If the rattling persists, it might be time to inspect the coils. But wait, there's more. Some fridges make a popping or cracking sound, especially when the defrost cycle is happening. This is typically normal as the ice melts and refreezes, causing expansion and contraction within the fridge. Let's move on to some troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check the fridge's placement. Is it level? An uneven fridge can cause vibrations and weird noises. Use a spirit level to check and adjust the legs if needed. Step 2. Inspect the condenser fan, unplug the fridge, locate the fan, usually at the back, and make sure it's free of dust and debris. A clogged fan can cause loud noises and affect performance. Step 3. Examine the evaporator fan. This fan is inside the freezer compartment. If you hear a loud noise coming from the freezer, it could be the evaporator fan. Unplug the fridge and carefully clean the fan blades. Step 4. Look at the drain pan. The drain pan collects condensation and can sometimes get knocked out of place. Ensure it's seated properly to avoid any rattling sounds. Step 5. Listen to the ice maker. If your fridge has an ice maker, it might be the culprit. Sometimes the water line can get blocked, or the ice maker itself can get noisy when filling. Make sure everything is connected and functioning smoothly. Still hearing strange sounds? It might be time to call in a professional. A trained technician can diagnose and fix more complex issues that we might not be able to tackle ourselves. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent many of these problems. Make it a habit to clean your fridge, check for loose parts, and ensure it's level. A well-maintained fridge is a happy fridge. Alright folks, that wraps up our investigation into strange fridge sounds. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content from Press to Cook. Got any other appliance mysteries you want me to solve? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep those fridges quiet. Dale, signing off.